Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. We're gonna look at this 2010 550i GT, and we're not gonna look at it too much today. We're just gonna talk about the problem that I had with it and what I did to solve it. As you can see, it's a crazy weather here in California. Lots of rain, lots of water everywhere. So what happened was this car had a flat tire. They replaced the tire, and after replacing the tire, the owner went to some kind of a body shop or a shop and replaced all four wheels and tires with different wheels and tires, the ones that are on the car now. And after he drove away, there was all kinds of malfunctions: drivetrain malfunction, ABS, DSC, all kinds of messages came up on the dash, and the car went into limp mode. So he did have someone look at it, and they told him that it has a bad ABS sensor in the back. They replaced all four sensors according to him, and they did not solve the issue. He contacted me about 2 or 3 months ago about bringing this car in, and I was busy. I couldn't take it until now. It finally came, and I did look at it, and I did see there was no reading on the rear left speed sensor. There was codes for that. So what I did was I switched from left to right and right to left, known good sensor, and the problem did not follow. That means the sensor was okay. It was not the issue with the sensor. So next would be, I was thinking that it's probably the wheel bearing, possibly, but there was no noises coming from the wheel bearing at all, so I wasn't sure. And I started looking. He brought it, he left the car. Basically, I looked at it more, and these cars are known having issues for the DCS ABS module that is located behind this wheel well, under the front left tire, and the connector is known to corrode, or connectors break off, and it causes issues. So I was going to look at that, but once I removed the cover panel that goes under the car over here, on this whole side, I quickly realized what the issue is. So someone jacked up the car instead of here where they're supposed to. They jacked it up from this cover, and the wiring loom is going right under it, and they cut through about 10-11 wires, and that's why the car went all crazy. So once I found the problem, repaired all the wires, all the issues are gone. No more ABS light, no more DSC light, the car drives normal, no more limp mode. So if you ever come across an issue like that, could be either wheel speed sensors, possibly wheel bearings, but they'll probably be the last. Then connector at the DSC ABS module right here under this cover, the fender well and the bottom cover, or check for the wiring if somebody damaged it somehow. This car is only has 93,000 miles. It's very nicely loaded. It does have soft closed doors. It does have rear executive package, adjustable seats, TVs, sunshades. It's a nice car, but it had an issue like that. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There's more videos to come.